Hello students, how are you? I'm so delighted to see you. Welcome to our English video lesson. Before we start the lesson, please look at the pictures and try to guess the topic of our lesson. What can you see from these pictures? What do you think what we are going to talk about? Here you can see sport equipment and the people who are going in for sports. In general, here are the pictures about sport. Yes, you are guessing right. We are going to talk about our favorite sport. There are the learning objectives. Reading for 6th grade. Read independently a limited range of short, simple fiction and the non-fiction texts. Writing 1 for 6th grade. Plan, write, edit, and proofread work at text level with some support on a growing range of general and curricular topics. Lesson objectives are derived from learning objectives. Read and understand a short, simple text according to the theme. Write, plan, and edit work at text level on the theme our favorite sport. Бүгінгі сабағымыздың мақсаты тікелей оқу мақсаттарына негізделген. Тақырыпқа сәйкес қысқа және қарапайым мәтіндерді оқу және түсіну. Біздің сүйікті спорт тақырыбында сөйлемдерді мәтін деңгейінде жазу, жоспарлау және түзету. Assessment criteria of our lesson. Comprehend short, simple texts about our favorite sport. Apply writing skills to do the exercises on the given theme. First of all, let's look through the pre-teaching vocabulary related to the lesson. Сабақты бастамас бұрын, ең бірінші, бүгінгі тақырыпқа қатысты жаңа сөздерге тоқтала кетейік. Team, топ, команда, court, алаң, point, ұпай, break, үзіліс, to bounce, секіріп түсу, ырғып кету, to kick, тебу, to score, ұпай жинау, opponent, қарсылас, goalkeeper, қақпашы. Students, when you hear the phrase favorite sport, what types of sport come to your mind? Think about it. Very good. Now we are going to read about two types of sport which are the most favorite ones of millions of people. They are football and basketball. Let's read. Ал енді миллиондаған адамдардың сүйікті спорт түріне айналған екі спорт жайлы оқығалы жатырмыз. Олар футбол және баскетбол. Оқуды бастайық. Basketball is from North America, and all schools in the USA have got a basketball team. It's also popular in Britain today, and many schools have basketball teams for both girls and boys. Aims of the game. In a basketball game, two teams play on a court. There are two baskets, one at each end of the court. There are 5 players in a team, and there are 6 extra players called substitutes. These players change with the others during the match. The aim of the game is for the players to shoot the ball into the basket. The team scores points when the ball goes into the basket. At the end of the game, the team with more points is the winner. Rules. Basketball is a very last game and there are a lot of rules to learn. A professional game in North America lasts 48 minutes with a 15-minute break in the middle. You can run and bounce the ball or pass the ball to a player on your team. You can only use one hand to bounce the ball, and you cannot bounce the ball catch it, then bounce it again. It's forbidden to kick the ball or to throw it out of the court. You can jump when you shoot the ball into the basket. If you break any of these rules, the other team gets the ball. Football is the most popular sport around the globe. Universally, football is declared as a favorite sport of millions of people. It's the easiest sport with a definite set of rules. Rules state that the time duration of the football match is 90 minutes, and the players will get 15 minutes to break in between the match. Football match consists of two teams with 11 players. Each team has one goalkeeper and 10 other players. Players have to make a goal in the opponent's team in order to win. Each goal scored by teams is counted, and in the end, the team with the highest goals will be declared as the winner. Read the texts again and answer the questions. Мәтін бойынша берілген сұрақтарға жауап бер. Number 1. Where is the basketball from? Number 2. What do the substitutes do? Number 3. How many hands can you use to bounce a ball? Number 4. What happens when a player breaks a rule? Number 5. Which sport is the favorite sport of millions of people? Number 6. How long is a football game? Number 7. How many players does a football team have? Number 8. Does it have a break? Excellent, you are absolutely right. Here are the answers. Жарайсыңдар, тамаша, енді жауаптарына тоқтала кетсек. 1. North America. 2. They change with the others during the match. 3. Only one hand. 4. The other team gets the ball. 5. Football. 6. 90 minutes. 7. 11 players. 8. Yes, 15 minutes. The next task is check yourself. You are given the sentences, mark them true or false. Келесі тапсырма өзіңді тексер деп аталады. Берілген сөйлемдерді оқып, ондағы мәліметтердің ақиқат немесе жалған екенін анықта. Number 1. All schools in the USA have a basketball team. Number 2. There are 6 players in a basketball team. Number 3. A basketball team lasts 48 minutes with a 15 minutes break. Number 4. You can use only one hand to bounce the ball. Number 5. Football is a type of sport that doesn't have a definite set of rules. Number 6. Each football team has 11 players. Number 7. There are one goalkeeper and 10 players in a football team. Let's check your answers. Ал енді жауаптарына назар аударайық. 1. True. 2. False. 3. True. 4. True. 5. False. 6. True. 7. True. Good job! I hope you have no mistakes. Өте жақсы, сендерді қате жібермеді деп үміттенемін. Let's do the next task, complex table. You have to compare two types of favorite sport and fill in the column. Келесі тапсырма кешенді кесте деп аталады. Екі спорт түрін салыстырып, берілген кестені толтыр. Now, check your answers. Nice work. Жауаптарына назар аудар. Жарайсың. So, complete the self-assessment by sticking your feedback stickers to the chart. I hope that you have understood today's lesson. Our lesson is over. See you next time.